In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the pumps on our 200 litre double tip nano brew house. So down here underneath the system, we have our pumps. There are 4 pumps on the system. There are 3 25 watt magnetic drive pumps with stainless heads, and in this particular case, cam lock quick connects. So we have a 25 watt pump to transfer water out of the HLT into the mash tun, or whirlpool the HLT. We have a 25 watt pump to transfer through the rims or to transfer out of the HLT into the mash tun, and we have another 25 watt pump to recirculate the wort out of and back into the mash tun. 25 watt is all you require to recirculate, to transfer, and to whirlpool in terms of your mash tun and your hot liquor tank. Any bigger, it's too much pressure. It's too big of a pump. So we just keep it very simple, very light, 19 litres per minute, magnetic drive pumps. Each pump can be shut off, so you've got to have obviously the fluid going into the pump, fluid going out of the pump. In this case, if we run it into the rims and out of the rims, we can shut or stop the flow from the pump by just shutting off the valve altogether and keep the pump running, because with magnetic drive pumps, they act as a clutch. It doesn't affect the pump if you shut off flow, but it will affect the pump if you keep it running and shut off flow into the pump. You've got to shut the flow off in the out section of the pump. This pump here is a 65 watt pump, a bigger pump. This allows the system to also act as a CIP for your uni tanks or conical fermenters. It's a bigger pump, so it'll work well through the spray ball on a 200 or 400 litre uni tank or conical fermenter. It also allows for very fast transfer out of your boiler. So, because if you're double batching, you want to get the next wort into that boiler, so we want to transfer it fast. It also enables a very vigorous whirlpool, so we can chill it, get all the cold water coming, all the cold work coming out of the chiller through the kettle faster, bring that temperature down faster, especially from boiling temp down to 80 degrees to stop those hops from continuing to work. Now, we're also going to have a look at the rims. This is a rims rocket. In there is a 3,500 watt element. It is controlled by a controller that has voltage control, so we can lower the voltage to the rims canister there. It's also got an PID SSR technology. So 3,200 watt element. Within this, it acts as an instant hot water service. This thing is amazing, and because it has voltage control, unlike normals or more simple rim systems in the market, this one you'll get no caramelization because you've got that voltage control on the controller. This rim system can also act as a hop torpedo. A hop torpedo, we can take out the element, we can put the hops in there, or hop flowers, and then put the hop back in. And then what we can do is we can come out of the boiler, into the pump, out of the pump, into the hop torpedo, and out of the hop torpedo, and into the chiller, out of the chiller, and into the whirlpool. It's a fair bit of channeling going on, but if you want that last burst of flavour, then you can also use that as a hop torpedo. So it's very versatile. It doesn't just have one use on the system. that is our pumps and our rim system on our 200 litre double tip nano brew house.